Okay guys, this is for the strategy, the HMA whole moving average strategy, 60-second strategy. The first thing you want to do is practice counting starting from 57 to 0 to get used to counting seconds. This will allow you to be able to focus on the HMA on a possible setup, and it will let you know if TOS or MT is lagging. If you're at 0 and the HMA hasn't moved nor has a new candle form, then you know no matter what, do not take the trade. The time is lagging, so you don't want to enter. So practice counting down just to get that rhythm down so that you can be focused on that HMA and get it, 57, 58, 59, boom. So and that's how the way you're just focusing on the color of the HMA to make sure that if it's going for a put, that it's going to be pink and red, and if it's going to be for a call, green and blue. The red and pink HMA is for a downtrend. When you see this, you are setting up for a call and the HMA to change within the candle from red and pink to green and blue. And then I didn't put that on the page, but when it's green and pink, it's an uptrend, and then you're setting up for a put. And when that HMA changes within the candle from green and blue to red and pink, then you're taking a call. Example, you see a downtrend on candles are getting smaller, or the active candle is going up, it shows that it's green. You set up for a call, and at 57 seconds you start the countdown. While you're keeping your eyes on the HMA, do not look away from the HMA or look at the candle. You focusing completely on the HMA only. On 59, you should see the HMA moving to the next candle, and as soon as you see it's blue and green, you enter the trade immediately. So it's 57, 58, 59, blue, green, enter. Every second counts, so you want to make sure that as soon as you get to 59 and you see it's moving over and it's blue and green, you want to enter that trade. And again, if you're at 0-0 and it hasn't moved, do not enter the trade, because you don't know which way it really opened up at because it was lagging. So just simply just go look for another setup. There's 50 million currencies and your broker has a lot of options for you, so you can go and find another one easily. And what I'm going to cover in this video is 4 examples where the HMA change within the candle, where it does not change within the candle and it's a possible fake out. And then again, it could possibly win. And then with 2 small trend reversal setups. Okay. So at this point, you see it's a strong downtrend. This right here was a possible. So at this point, we're starting to watch the candles. Again, pink and red downtrend. So at this point, we're setting up for a call, and we're looking for once we start counting down, we're watching for it to be blue and green as the next candle opens. Got your hand on the trigger. Ready to enter it? You ready to start countdown? Eyes on the HMA. 8, 9, 10. Nope. But did you see how it moved at 9? It moved over. That's what you're looking at. Keeping your eyes on that HMA. Okay. Got your hand ready to enter the trade. Eyes on the HMA. Count. 8, 9, 10. Boom. In. So you just got to pretty much get your hand, your eye and hand coordination down. So you can get in that trade. As soon as you see it, you're pressing. So that's the first example. We want to wait for it to close. Just so you see that it won. While it's doing that, I can get ready for the next setup. These are the ones that you want to trade on, guys. Or these. Those are the perfect setups. As you can see, that one won. So long trend. Don't have to necessarily be this long, but a good old long downtrend or a good old long uptrend, and then it changes in the middle. Those are the ones that you want to look out for. Okay. Next example. Make this 52 seconds. So at 52 seconds, you got your hand on your computer. You're ready to go ahead and enter the trade for wherever the setup is. So this is going to be for put. Eyes on the HMA. 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. In the trade. Now this is the example for it not being in the middle. And we're going to see if this one wins or loses. And I know I started before this candle. Before this candle actually completely open, but it was not closed in the middle for this one. I went back and watched these before. I actually went back and tried to find an example for each one, so I know for a fact that it wasn't the way it is for what it looked like when you first saw it. So as you can see, that one lost. Then that's 1, 2, 3, and that's another thing. If it once the downtrend happens, let me see. This is 1, 2. This is the third candle. So let's see. You would have entered it on this one. That's another thing too. Let me pause it real quick before I can know. On the trends, if once you see that reversal, like once you see it, if it's 1, 2, 3 candles down and it still hasn't formed, you can try to push it for 4, and it still hasn't when it turned pink and red and it didn't go down. I'm not saying that right. Once you see the reversal setting up and one candle goes down strongly but it was, the HMA didn't confirm that it was going to go down, so you wait for the next one and you take it, and it doesn't go down. That's the second. That would be considered the second with that. So on this one, you can possibly go in and take it. That's up to your discretion. Because it's, well, that's the third candle. So I say the first three candles is where you're looking for it. If you haven't gotten it within those first three candles, then I will be, just kind of be hesitant of it, and because it could easily reverse on you, or when you do call it, do like this candle did. Let's see what happens. And the next one I'm about to show you is going to be the example of that. See that one won. So that's the example of it being outside of the where it didn't change within the candle, but it won. Now this is going to be where it didn't win. Okay. This is for a call. Hand on the trigger, getting ready to press the button for your entry. Starting to count down now with your eyes on HMA. 8, 9, 10. No. Watching the count. Okay. Got your hands on the trigger. Get ready to count down. Eyes on the HMA. 7, 8, 9, 10. In. One, two, three candles in. This one is about to lose. Didn't form within the candle. So there you have it. Let's see what happens on the fourth candle. I fast forwarded because I only got 15 minutes left, so let's see what happens. That one lost too.